everybody, Dina here. Thank you for coming into my home again, and we're just going to do a little bit of yoga today. And I just wanted to talk about a nice sequence of a warrior poses, and they don't need to be perfect. They just work on strengthening the lower body, and then we're going to move into a sequence of plank and downward dog, so you can work the whole body if you choose to. So you can use this sequence whenever you want to just get a nice charge for the day, nice strengthening of the body without having to think about going into a long, lengthy practice. So I'm all about doing short things. As we get older, we don't need to kill ourselves and sweat our asses off doing so much yoga. We can really do some nice sequence of short poses that help to strengthen the whole body. Okay, so we're going to start with a nice breath work, nice short meditation and breath work. So remember what we said, we want to sit up nice and tall, open up the lungs, take some nice deep breaths in through the nose and out through the nose, right? And then once you've done that 3 or 4 times, just sit in a quiet meditation for a minute to 5 minutes if you want. You can stop the video and do as long as you need to, and then continue on to the practice, okay? Nice. So close your eyes, notice your breath moving in through the nose and out through the nose. Remember, when you take your breaths in, as you start your deep breathing, you want to inhale and the belly expands out. And then as you exhale, the belly goes towards the spine. So start your breath work nice and deep, maybe 5 seconds in, 5 seconds out, or whatever works for you. Breath work helps to oxygenate the body better, give you clarity of mind, de-stress, de-anxiety, prepare you for your day. So many things, from deep into the muscles to the organs to the cells. Breath work is really, really important. So get on a breath work practice if you can, even for 1 to 2 minutes a day. And we're just going to sit quietly for a moment. And while you sit quietly, I want you to just let go of the thoughts. And I want you to bring one intention for your practice or for your day, or something you want to bring into your life. Just one thing. Just bring that intention in, think about it for a moment, and then just let it go after. Just feel your body starting to relax and sink into the mat. So your shoulders are resting, you're feeling the facial muscles get relaxed, the shoulders down the arms to the fingertips, down your spine to the hips. If this position is not comfortable for you, you can change positions. You can sit on a pillow. That always makes the hips open a little bit more if you're not comfortable sitting right on the floor. And as you let go of that intention, I want you to come into your breath, bring a smile to your face. It's a good day, right? We're going to make good things happen. You are in charge, so don't let anybody control you or tell you how things are going. Stay in that positive place and things will really go smoothly. Okay, not every day is going to go smoothly, but the more we practice it, the easier it comes. So we're going to bring your hands on your knees, drop your spine back, chin to the chest. Inhale forward. As you lean forward, draw the chin up. Inhale, and then exhale it back. Inhale forward, and exhale it back. Nice. I like to do some circles just to warm up the hips, warm up the lower back. And as you do that, draw your core inward. Inhaling and exhaling. Don't hold your breath. And then switch directions. Nice. We're just going to open up the arms a little bit. So we're just going to get a little bit of movement. Inhale and then exhale into the stretch. Inhale and exhale. And now we're going to do a nice twist. So we're just going to grab our knee, hand behind you, and pull in. Oh, there's a little crack in my spine. Exhale as you move deeper into your twist. And then draw your arms up. Inhale up. And exhale over to the other side. Exhale as you pull into that nice twist. And bring it back up. Draw your arms up, connect your hands, turn the palms out, and then pull up on that spine. Really feel the rib cage, and then just move it a little bit. And draw your arms forward, draw your spine back. I usually do the same sequence, so you'll get used to it as I move forward with my classes and do this. I like to start with these stretches. They're really nice for opening up the body and just getting nice and feeling that blood flow. And you can move it forward here, you can turn it, you can move the head, go wherever your body is wanting you to go, just follow it. And bring your chin to your chest, stretch out the neck a little bit, maybe inhale up. You don't want to do circles with the head, you really just want to do half circles or looking to the right and left. Great job. All right, I'm going to stand up. We're going to go into a warrior pose. First, I want to just stretch. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see me. And I'm just going to bring my hands to my knees. And I'm going to lengthen my spine. As I lengthen my spine, you'll see it gets nice and straight. And then the muscles in the back of the legs behind the knees start to expand. Bring your tummy in. Take a breath in and then exhale as you come down deeper into the stretch and go wherever you need to go. You can use a prop here if you have a block or a pillow. You can place your hands on that, drop your head down, and then bend your knees and roll your body up. Just roll it up nice and easy. Draw your arms up, inhale, and then exhale, bring it back to the knees, right? And lengthen again. Lengthen, draw your core in and push out as you feel those hamstrings, and then bring it back down. Bend the knees, draw the body up. Inhale all the way, and exhale, hands to the heart. Okay, it doesn't matter which side you start with. We're just going to go into warrior two, okay? So warrior two is a really great pose. It opens up the hips, it strengthens the legs, it works the whole bottom half of the body. So make sure when you go into your pose that your knee is over your ankle. That's really the only thing that I focus on. I don't want to say you have to have your knee in front of your back foot because everybody's hips are different and everybody's body's different how you can perform. So just making sure that you're safe by keeping the knee above the ankle and drawing down as far as you comfortably can. Now, draw your core in for that really good support and then bring your arms out. So obviously I could see myself in the camera, so I could see my arms are at a good height. Making sure that your arms are shoulder height, not lagging down here. You want to bring them up here so those muscles are working. So your heart rate is going to start to go up. You can draw into your warrior two a little bit deeper, so you're going to feel those muscles starting to work. But when you feel that, I want you to start to kick in those muscles harder. So squeeze the glutes, squeeze the thighs. That will be able to give you a little bit more stamina to hold it longer. And once you feel like you've done enough, then you're going to reverse it. So you're going to bring that arm down the back of the leg and bring the other arm up towards the ceiling. So you're feeling that openness through the rib cage, which is really beautiful. And then you're going to drop the elbow to the knee and bring the arm over the ear. So now you're expanding through the ribs on the other side, through the hip. And just take a breath and feel it and love it. And bring it back to warrior two. Now, you can do that a few times, and you can just, till you're tired, and rest and do the other side. But I'm going to take it up a notch and see if you want to just strengthen up a little bit further by going into a plank. So you're going to windmill your arms down, place them by your foot, slide your leg back into your plank, and go into your flow. Now, the flow, I mentioned that a lot. My flow is you go into push-up. You can bring your knees down if you need to, upward dog, and downward dog. Now I'm going to bend my knees, and I'm going to gently just walk them forward to my hands. And then I'm going to roll my body up like I did earlier. Inhale, give my body a little bit of a rest, and bring my hands to my heart. Nice job. All right, we're going to do the other side. So the other leg is forward. And now you're going to go deep again, making sure that knee is over the ankle and that other leg is back as far as you can comfortably go without slipping or feeling like you're going to injure yourself. Bring your arms out. When you bring your arms out, I want you to strengthen those arms. So really dig in, feeling the triceps, the biceps, the shoulders by engaging those muscles. Just working them. You're not working them hard, but you are working them. Keep your breath moving and go down a little deeper if you can. Hold your core in nice and strong. Squeeze that back leg and then reverse it. Go into your reverse, feeling the rib cage, opening it up, and then bringing the elbow to the knee. Draw that arm over your ear, lengthening the other side. And bring it back. Nice. Down, and we're going to bring it into downward dog. So we're going to windmill those arms. Again, if you don't want to, you don't have to. Draw the leg back, come into your plank. Hold your plank as long as you'd like. And then draw into your plank, push up, upward dog, and downward dog. Go into your down dog, take a couple of breaths. Press that chest down, chin to the chest. Press your heels down and press your hips back. I know it sounds like a lot, but once you get the hang of it, it's quite easy. And then you're going to look forward, walk your feet forward. Roll the body up nice and gently. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to the heart. Good. We're going to do another one. We're just going to do a squat now. The squats are great. So as we're strengthening our legs, we might as well do a little bit more with the legs. And so we bring them out to a straddle, and then we go into our squat. Make sure that when you're in your squat, when you look over to your one side, your knees should be covering your toes. Okay? If they're not, that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just go again into a position that you're not going to injure yourself. So you want to make sure that you can go deep into your squat and then raise it back up. Inhale. And then bring it down. Check. Make sure that knee is coming over those toes. Hold it. You want to draw in from your core. Maybe bring your arms up. A little bit more intense. Inhale, bring it up. Grab a wrist, bring it over. This is just a little way to rest in between. Find your breath. You're doing awesome. Be proud of yourself. Come back into your squat. Hold, feel those muscles really engaging. Just think of how good this is for you. Inhale, bring it up. Now we're going to bring our toes forward and we're going to come down forward fold. And you're going to really feel a beautiful stretch in the hamstrings here. And I like to just move my hips to the right and left, so I'm digging in a little bit deeper. It's going behind my knees. And I'm going to bring my left hand underneath my eyes, and I'm going to bring my right arm up towards the ceiling to get a nice twist. You can maybe even bring the hand behind the hip and draw your shoulder up. And bring the arm back up. Bring it down and switch sides. And if one side doesn't work or you're having any issues with any parts of your body, then skip it or do a modification. Bring it back down. Now turn your heels in and bring your feet into a position where it's comfortable and come into a nice squatting position. Now I like to press my elbows so I'm getting that really nice space in my hips. You can bring your hands to your heart here and namaste. If you can't do this, don't worry about it. Skip it. Eventually, maybe you will. Bring the hands down, and we're going to come into a sitting position wherever you want. If this is more comfortable, bring your legs out. If you'd like to do a straddle, bring the legs out to a straddle or come into cross-legged position. I just want you to tune in now. I just want you to sit quietly, excuse me. Bring your breath in through the nose, out through the nose. Notice your heart rate. If it's still elevated, take some breath work. It'll come down. Slow, deep breaths in through the nose and out through the nose. Know that every little thing you do for yourself through your yoga practice, through this journey, is helping you in so many ways. Just keep with it. I know you're gonna love it. Thank you for coming in my home again. Bring your hands to your heart. Namaste. Have a great day. We'll see you soon.